Welcome to Anil TV Education. Today's our topic is verbs. A verb is a word that describes an action, a state or an experience. So these an action or a state or an experience, this all comes under verbs. So a verb always carries a tense. It always carries a tense. So here summary of verbs. Verbs are divided into two forms. So that one is main verb and auxiliary verbs. We can call it as auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. So here what are the auxiliary verbs are is, am or are comes called as auxiliary verbs. So here the main verbs are divided into two types, transitive and intransitive. So here auxiliary verbs or helping verbs can be divided into two types, that are primary auxiliaries and second one is modal auxiliaries. In brief, we discuss what is a main verb and what is the auxiliary verbs, and transitive, intransitive we will discuss now. So we discuss about main verbs. Main verbs are two types, I said, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So here transitive verbs, it takes an object. So they answer the questions like whom, what. So here examples. So here water, helped, these are nothing but it has verbs. So we watered the plants regularly. What is the question indirectly? What we are planting? For what? For the plants. Here they helped the villagers. Whom? The villagers. Here intransitive verbs, it does not take an object. So they don't answer the questions what or whom. So example, I wake up early in the morning. So here no need of asking any question. I wake up early in the morning. So many Telugu actors live in Hyderabad. So here where here they are living? They live in Hyderabad. So no need of asking any questions. These are about transitive verbs, main verbs. Now let us discuss about auxiliary verbs. Now next in that verbs we discuss about helping verbs. So what are helping verbs? The helping verbs are also called as auxiliary verbs. So here example, with this example we know how the auxiliary verbs are used. My relative should have reached the station a bit early. So here should is the infinite word, means first word, because it carries a tense. Here have, reached, these all in the positive forms, past forms, so it carries a tense. So here next should have, here next one is what? Should have. So here should have is a auxiliary verb. So before that I said is, am, was, were, have, had, these all are helping verbs. So here have is a primary auxiliary word. So here finally here the reached is there. Reached is nothing but it is a main verb. So here first should is a finite verb because it is a first verb, because it carries a tense. So should have is an auxiliary word. Here have is nothing but it is an auxiliary verb. Here reached is the main verb. So examples are for primary auxiliary words be, do, have, is are examples of primary auxiliary verbs. So now next one is modal auxiliaries. So here modal auxiliary examples are shall, will, can, may, to, need to, etc. These all comes under modal auxiliary verbs.